Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the California Museum of Science and Industry's IMAX Theater. You are about to experience the ultimate motion picture presentation. Specially photographed 70mm film with an image area 10 times larger than standard 35mm film will be transported horizontally through our IMAX projection system behind you and beamed onto the largest indoor screen in Southern California. 5 stories high and 70 feet wide. The giant picture is accompanied by 6 channels of surround sound.
Please stand by for system alignment procedure. Rear left surround. Screen right. Screen left. Rear right. Screen top. Screen center. Subwoofers.
Please remember that smoking, eating, drinking, or photography of any kind is strictly prohibited while you are inside the IMAX theater. If for any reason you must leave during the show, please use the curtain exit here, at the rear left. When the lights come up at the end of the show, please exit here, through the doors to your right. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your IMAX experience.